The topic of today's sermon is God is not silent. God will not condone wickedness, and his eyes are too pure to approve or behold evil. However, people always complain that God always looks inactively upon injustice. The perception of many is that God is silent when they are being oppressed. Most people are asking these questions. Inasmuch as God cannot stand sin or wrong, why not pass judgment quickly on the leaders who are embezzling the funds of their nations? Why not dethrone the corrupt politicians who are mistreating the populace? Why not avenge the injustice committed against the innocent people? The Bible corroborated this fact in the book of Habakkuk chapter 1 verse 13. And I'll read, "You are of purer eyes than to behold evil, and cannot look on wickedness. Why do you look on those who deal treacherously, and hold your tongue when the wicked devours a person more righteous than he?" People need to change their mindset and realize that God is not standing idly when the wicked people are committing these atrocities. But he will do some things at the time when their spiritual cup of iniquity is filled up. May the Lord bless his words.